We tell ourselves a comforting lie, that the night sky is peaceful, that the universe is silent, beautiful, distant, harmless. But beyond the thin layer of air wrapped around Earth, space is not a sanctuary. It is a graveyard of worlds, a realm where planets are stripped by radiation, crushed by gravity, drowned beneath toxic atmospheres, and frozen in darkness so deep that sunlight itself begins to die.
And the deeper we travel into the solar system, the more terrifying it becomes. Our journey begins at the edge of the sun. Mercury, the closest world to our star, a scorched planet trapped in a brutal gravitational embrace. From its surface, the sun appears enormous, more than 3 times larger than it does from Earth. A giant sphere of nuclear fire hanging in a pitch-black sky. During the day, temperatures climb above 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But Mercury's cruelty has 2 faces.
Because it has almost no atmosphere to hold warmth, the heat vanishes the moment darkness arrives. Nightfall plunges the planet to nearly minus 180 degrees Celsius. On Mercury, existence swings endlessly between incineration and deep freeze. A silent world condemned to suffer beneath the star that created it. If Mercury is suffering, Venus is hell. From orbit, it almost resembles Earth. Similar size, similar gravity, similar structure. But this planet is a warning from the universe itself.
Beneath its clouds lies an atmosphere so dense that the pressure would crush the human body in moments. The sky rains sulfuric acid, and surface temperatures approach 500 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury. Not because Venus is closer to the sun, but because its atmosphere trapped the heat until the entire world became a furnace. Nothing survives here. No oceans, no rain, no wind carrying life. Only rock, pressure, and endless heat beneath a sky no human.
Venus is what happens when a planet loses control of its own climate. And then there is Earth, a fragile anomaly suspended in the dark. From space, the atmosphere protecting every forest, every ocean, every city, and every human life appears almost invisible, a paper-thin membrane wrapped around stone. Everything we have ever known exists beneath that delicate layer of air. One small failure, and the void takes everything. Beside Earth drifts the moon, silent, scarred, ancient. Its surface bears the wounds of billions of years of impacts, remnants of an era when the inner solar system was flooded with violence. The moon is not a dead companion. It is evidence of what Earth survived.
Humanity dreams of reaching Mars, of building cities beneath its skies. But Mars is not waiting to welcome us. It is the corpse of a world that once may have been alive. Billions of years ago, rivers likely carved through its surface. Oceans may have covered entire regions of the planet. Then Mars lost something essential. Its core cooled. Its magnetic field collapsed. Without protection, solar radiation slowly stripped the atmosphere away into space. What remains today is a frozen desert, drenched in radiation. Olympus Mons rises nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest.
Mars is more than a dead planet. It is a vision of planetary extinction. Beyond Mars lies a vast field of debris orbiting the sun, fragments left behind from the birth of the solar system itself, worlds that never finished forming. Some are small enough to fit inside a city. Others stretch hundreds of kilometers across. They drift in silence through the cold dark between planets, ancient ruins from a violent beginning. And beyond them, something enormous waits. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. More than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it, and the giant would barely notice.
There is no solid ground here, no surface to stand on, only layers of cloud descending endlessly into darkness. As gravity drags matter deeper toward the core, pressure climbs to unimaginable extremes. Hydrogen itself begins to transform into liquid metal. And above this abyss, storms larger than entire planets rage without rest. The Great Red Spot, a cyclone wider than Earth, has been churning for centuries.